January 20th, 2025, Inauguration Day. We're checking the van. We're leaving my daughter's house. We've already had to tighten up a radiator hose that was leaking. Top radiator hose was leaking. Stopped up here before we got too far away just to make sure everything else, nothing leaking. Well, I guess we'll be going down 75, heading back to Athens. So we'll sort of see how many people broke down and all this kind of stuff in cold weather or whatever. So let's get headed out. Everything looks okay right now. Tighten up that top radiator hose. Okay, we are heading out. Like I said, 16 up here in Epworth this morning. It's supposed to get down to 10 tomorrow night. Only 28 or 29 today. I think it's supposed to be Wednesday before it gets back up to freezing up here. And that'll be Wednesday afternoon, probably late in the afternoon. Doesn't look like it's going to get back to 50 in North Georgia, over in Athens until about Saturday or maybe Sunday. So we're in for a cold winter week. Okay, merging onto I-75. I guess we need to ask our assistant for directions back to the shop. That way if there are any, we know how to go, but that way if there are any stalls or wrecks or anything, we'll be notified. So we will get directions back. We've just gotten on at, used to be Glade Road, now it is Altoona Gateway. We'll get off and get us a hearty biscuit. How about that? Georgia 92. We could cut across 92, but it'd be a lot of stop and go. Okay, let's do one more walk around before we get back on 75. Don't see anything leaking. Everything looks okay. Inauguration Day. We'll get 3 or 4 videos headed back across of Inauguration Day 2025. Clean our little lens off up there. It's foggy. A lot of dirt on it. We'll probably use that some. Okay, let's get on the road. 1023.